Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change my Facebook photo without notification. We begin by entering our Facebook profile. After that, we click on the camera icon of our current profile image. Next, click on the Choose Profile Picture option. After that, we select the photograph we want. We will give storage permissions if necessary. After that, we square our image and uncheck the option to share your update to Newsfeed. Finally, we apply the changes with Save, and we will be able to see that our profile photo has been changed without it being published in our feed or notified. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.